Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the psychology of money and how it applies to real estate investing. You see, building wealth isn't just about picking the right properties, it's about mastering your mindset and developing the right habits. We're gonna break down the key lessons that can help you build sustainable wealth over time. Stick around to learn how understanding the mental game of real estate can be the key to unlocking your financial freedom. Look, I get it. We all want to become millionaires tomorrow. But real wealth, especially in real estate, is built brick by brick, not overnight. It's about thinking long-term. Think, buy and hold, not get-rich-quick schemes. When you hold on to a property, you benefit from appreciation. Year after year, the value of that property can increase, and that's real, tangible growth. And don't forget about rental income. That's cash flow coming in every single month. Over time, that compounding effect can be absolutely life-changing. Play the long game, be patient, and watch your wealth grow steadily over time. We've all heard stories of people getting lucky in real estate. They stumble upon a killer deal or sell at the peak of the market. But let's be real, relying on luck is a recipe for disaster. You see, luck is fleeting, it's unpredictable. What you need is a solid investment strategy based on fundamentals, not fortune cookie wisdom. That means doing your research, understanding market trends, and analyzing properties with a critical eye. It's about minimizing risk by making informed decisions, not chasing the next shiny object. Sure, you can get lucky once or twice, but long-term success in real estate comes from making smart, calculated moves. Build your strategy on solid ground, not on shifting sands of luck. Okay, let's talk about something super important. Saving. I know, it doesn't sound as exciting as those double-digit returns, but trust me on this one. Saving is the foundation of a strong financial strategy, especially in real estate. See, unexpected things happen. A pipe bursts in your rental property, you have a few months of vacancy, or the market takes a dip. These things are part of the game, and you need to be prepared. That's where your cash reserves come in. Having a healthy emergency fund can mean the difference between weathering the storm and being forced to sell a property at the worst possible time. Focus on building a solid financial cushion. Saving isn't sexy, but it's the key to long-term stability and success in real estate. Chapter 4. Control your emotions in market cycles. Real estate is a roller coaster. There are ups, there are downs, and sometimes it feels like the ride will never end. But here's the thing. Your emotions can be your worst enemy in this game. When the market is hot and everyone's making money, it's easy to get caught up in the frenzy and overpay for a property. FOMO, or the fear of missing out, can lead to some seriously bad decisions. On the flip side, when the market dips and everyone's panicking, it's tempting to sell everything and cut your losses. But panic selling almost always leads to regret down the road. The key is to stay level-headed, no matter what the market is doing. Stick to your investment strategy, focus on the fundamentals, and remember that market cycles are inevitable. When everyone else is greedy, be fearful. When everyone else is fearful, be greedy. Control your emotions, make rational decisions, and you'll come out ahead in the long run. Chapter 5. Freedom is the ultimate financial goal. Let's be honest, nobody dreams of working themselves to the bone until their 60s. We all want freedom, right? The freedom to choose how we spend our time, to pursue our passions, to live life on our own terms. Well, that's what real estate investing can offer, true financial freedom. Think about it. Rental properties generate passive income. That's money coming in every month without you trading your precious time for it. As you build your portfolio, that passive income stream grows, giving you more and more control over your life. Imagine waking up every day and not being tied to a 9-to-5 grind. Imagine having the resources to travel, spend time with loved ones, or chase those dreams you've put on hold for far too long. It's not just about accumulating wealth. It's about creating a life of freedom and choice. Invest strategically, build your passive income streams, and unlock the life you deserve. Chapter 6. Avoid lifestyle creep. Okay, let's talk about a sneaky wealth killer lifestyle creep. You work hard, you start seeing some success in real estate, your income increases, and suddenly you feel the urge to upgrade your lifestyle. Maybe it's a nicer car, fancier dinners, or more extravagant vacations. Don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with enjoying the fruits of your labor. But here's the catch: lifestyle creep can sabotage your long-term financial goals without you even realizing it. Instead of blowing those extra earnings on depreciating assets and fleeting experiences, you could be reinvesting that money into more properties, accelerating your path to financial freedom. The goal isn't to just look rich, it's to build lasting wealth. Make conscious spending choices and stay focused on your long-term goals. Chapter 7. Everyone plays a different game. Here's a hard truth, it's easy to get caught up in the comparison game, especially in the age of social media. You see other investors bragging about their latest flips, their massive portfolios, their luxurious lifestyles, and you start to question your own journey. But here's the thing, everyone is playing a different game. What works for someone else might not work for you, and that's okay. Don't get discouraged by comparing your Chapter 1 to someone else's Chapter 10. Focus on your own path, your own goals, your own definition of success. Once you define your goals, stick to your own lane and tune out the noise. Your journey is unique. Embrace it, learn from it, and celebrate your own wins along the way. Chapter 8. The Power of Patience. In a world obsessed with instant gratification, patience might seem like a lost art. But let me tell you, in real estate, patience is not just a virtue, it's a superpower. Finding amazing real estate deals takes time. You need to be willing to sift through countless listings, analyze dozens of properties, and maybe even make a few offers that get rejected. It's a process. And it rarely happens overnight. But here's the thing, rushing into a deal just because you're feeling impatient is a recipe for disaster. You might end up overpaying, buying in the wrong location, or settling for a property that doesn't truly align with your investment goals. Be willing to wait for the right deal to come along, even if it takes months or even years. The right opportunity will present itself when the time is right. Chapter 9. Simplicity Wins. The world of real estate investing can feel overwhelming with countless strategies, gurus peddling their systems, and complex financial instruments. But here's the truth. Simplicity wins. You don't need a PhD in finance or a team of analysts to build a successful real estate portfolio. In fact, overcomplicating things can often lead to mistakes and missed opportunities. Focus on building a simple, repeatable investment system that makes sense to you. One that you can understand, execute consistently, and that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Start with the fundamentals. Buying quality properties in good locations. Once you find a strategy that works, stick with it. Keep it simple. Focus on the fundamentals and watch your real estate portfolio grow steadily over time. Chapter 10. Your mindset is your greatest asset. We've covered a lot of ground today, from market cycles to financial discipline. But let's talk about the most important factor in your real estate investing journey, your mindset. You see, your beliefs, your attitude, and your outlook on money can either propel you forward or hold you back in ways you might not even realize. If you approach real estate investing with a scarcity mindset, believing that there are only limited opportunities out there, you're likely to make fear-based decisions. You might hesitate to make offers, overanalyze every detail, and miss out on great deals. But if you cultivate an abundance mindset, believing that there are always opportunities available for those who seek them, your entire perspective shifts. You'll approach challenges with creativity and resilience, knowing that setbacks are just temporary bumps in the road. An abundance mindset opens you up to possibilities, helps you attract the right people and resources, and ultimately leads to better investment decisions. Cultivate an abundance mindset, believe in yourself, and watch as your real estate investing journey transforms. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on real estate investing and financial freedom. Remember, building wealth through real estate is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time, dedication, and the right mindset. But the rewards, both financial and personal, are well worth the effort. Now go out there, take action, and start building the real estate portfolio of your dreams. See you in the next video.